Hello my guys, welcome to another episode. So I get a new phone Canon, this one right here. What I don't like about these ones is they're too heavy. So when you put them like that, they're always gonna tip over. And when you have them like that with a little bit of fluid, it's gonna start dripping. I get this one because I don't think you need to go and spend $100 on a phone Canon because any phone Canon is gonna do the same. I'm gonna try all of my phone Canons today, and I don't think I'm gonna notice any difference. So that's why I bring this. Hopefully this does the job, which I think is gonna do. And like this, I'm gonna prove my point. You don't have to spend $100 on a phone Canon because pretty much any phone Canon is doing the same job. But I get this one because I think it's a little bit better than these ones. I'm gonna put hot water and same amount of foam on all three, and I'm gonna see what $20 phone Canon is doing versus about $50 phone Canon versus I think I pay like $28-30 for this one. When I get it, I thought it was gonna be bigger than this. It's kind of small, but the bottle has 800 guess it's milliliters. These ones they have 900 right here, so it's not a lot of difference. And look at this little thing. The great thing about this one is it's bigger, so it's easier to fill up and put soap. Once you have it ready, it's not gonna tip over. It's gonna stay in his place versus these ones, obviously they're gonna fall. One more thing that I like about it is that you can rotate the whole nozzle. I don't think it's a big deal, but I like this. Plus you can open the blades like this, and with this part you can rotate the whole nozzle, which I think is cool. It's not like you really need it. Big difference, I went inside to fill it up with warm water, and it kind of like take me a little bit to fill them up. This one super easy, like 1 ounce. I'm gonna get my pressure washer ready. One more thing that I'm sure that over time these ones they're gonna break on the neck if you get them too tight, and that one that's not gonna happen. So I'm really excited to try this. Okay guys, let's go for the $20 one. If you can see there, really thick foam with the $20 one. Now I'm gonna rinse the car and use the $40 one. I don't see any difference. It's really thick foam, which is good. And now I'm gonna rinse the car again and go for the new one. Well guys, I don't see any difference between the three and the $20 one, $30 one, and $40 one. They're all gonna do the same. And look at the car. It looks really good. But believe me, if I have the money, of course I will buy the $100 one. But because I'm in a budget, I can choose something like this, which is doing the same as the $100 one, and still get the same result. And guys, one thing that probably you're gonna like more about this design than the rest of it is cleaning time. At the end, I just put water once, I throw the water, and it was clean. But for the other ones, it's another story. If you guys have phone cannons, you know. I put water, and it's really hard to get rid of the bubbles. So you have to do water a couple of times, and still, I did it twice, still had soap in it. So there you have it. I'm gonna go and finish the car. I have a lot of soap to play around, but I think this is the winner. I really like it. I know it's gonna last a lot longer because the neck is not gonna break over time. My go-to now is this one. Link is gonna be in the description for everything that you saw in this episode. And if you have any questions, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching guys, and don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.